Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting update about your favorite Turkish stars. Today, we are diving into a surprising 12th month involving Yagmur Yuksel, her mother, and Baris Baktas. It seems there's some tension brewing in the Yuksel household. Let's find out more. Recently, rumors have surfaced about Yagmur Yuksel's mother being upset with Baris Baktas. But why? It seems this situation has a lot to do with Yagmur's health. As you may know, Yagmur has been discovering from an illness, and Baris has been a constant presence by her side. While fans have praised Baris for his care and attention, Yagmur's mother reportedly has a different opinion. According to sources close to the family, she believes that Barry's involvement has been excessive. She allegedly feels that Yagmur needs more rest and peace without the constant worry of someone hovering around her. There's also talk that Yagmur's mother was not happy about Barry's sharing updates about Yagmur's recovery with others in their circle. She values privacy and thinks Barry's unintentionally crossed some boundaries. Fans are divided on this issue. Many support Barry, saying he's only trying to be a good friend. Others believe that Barry's mother has a point. Yagmur's health should come first, and sometimes space is necessary for healing. So for another, Yagmur Barris has commented on the matter. Yagmur's mother has also stayed quiet publicly, but insiders suggest she had a conversation with Barris to express her concerns. Despite the tension, fans hope that everyone can come to an understanding. Yagmur is lucky to have a strong support system, and with time, this situation will likely smooth out. That's all for today's story. What do you think about this situation? Is Yagmur's mother right, or is Paris just being a caring friend? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates about your favorite Turkish celebrities. Until next time, take care and stay safe.